Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to log in on Facebook without phone numbers and emails. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to log into Facebook without using your email or phone number? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon. Tap on the three dots on the right side. And then, tap on copy link. Now close your Facebook and log out. Open any browser that you usually use. Go to the website called findmyfbid.in. Here you need to paste the link to your Facebook profile. Tap on Find Facebook ID. This will give you a set of numbers you need to copy. Go back to your Facebook app and paste the code or the set of numbers to where you enter your email or number, and you'll be able to log into your Facebook account. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, subscribe, ring the bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.